Alright folks, Declan Lynch and Shaw, Antrim Senior Football Captain. Myself and Jude are here today as part of the virtual Féile's GAA Skills Challenge. So we're going to go through some essential skills within Gaelic football. We're going to run through the solo, the kick pass, the hand pass, and at the end we're going to include them all for a small challenge. Hope you enjoy, pay attention, and look forward to seeing some of the videos coming in. Alright folks, so we're going to start off with a warm-up. 3 quick exercises that are vital for the Gaelic games. So just listen and watch what I'm doing and follow what Jude the Dude's doing as well. So the first one with the orange cones is quick feet in and out. Now folks, if you don't have cones, that's okay. They're just there for a marker. So I'm going to demonstrate the first one. Quick feet, very important for GAA. So it's in, 2 feet, in, 2 feet. Jude's probably better at this. Out to the white cone and turn. So we're going to do it 3 times each. So we'll do it again. So we're quick feet. This can probably do it a bit quicker than me. And we'll do it the last time. Try and do it a bit quicker. So that's the first exercise. We're going to move on to the second one now, which is simply side to side. So we'll do it again 3 times, and we'll try and get quicker each time. So we're getting down low. We'll go again, try and get quicker each time. And last time, we'll try and go quick again. So that's the second one. I'll move on to the third one, which is important out there. Jumping, jump and land. We'll do it 3 times again. Just as a quick demonstration. Jog out. Down. We're going to do 2 more. Try and get a bit higher each time. Jog out. And we'll do 1 more. Try and get high again. So that's a quick wee warm up done. 3 exercises that are important, all part of Gaelic football. So make sure we're doing them right, trying to get quicker each time, and then we'll start into the proper session now. Alright boys and girls, so the first skill we're going to demonstrate is the hand pass. Myself and my partner in crime Jude are going to take us through it. We're going to start off simple hand pass, then we're going to introduce a bit of challenge in it to see how many hand passes we can get in 30 seconds. And again folks, you can, if you don't have a partner, you can do this against the wall. It's just simple, so I just have a partner to make it easier. So if you don't have a partner, against the wall is just as good. Okay? So that's the first bit done folks. Now we're warmed up. Let's see how many hand passes we can get in 30 seconds. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So 32 hand passes myself and Jude got. You need to better that at home. And again, if you don't have a partner, just time yourself up against the wall. So we're going to introduce a variation to it, folks. We're going to hand pass on the move. So we've done the static hand pass, now it's a hand pass on the move. Again, if you don't have a partner, you can simply move side to side, left to right, hand passing the ball against the wall. And again, folks, make sure we're using our left and right hands at all times. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Left hand. Good lad, good. Come on, back out again. Right hand. Left hand. Good lad, good. Last one. Right hand. Left hand there. Good lad, no drops. So the second skill we're going to look at is the kick pass, probably the most important skill in Gaelic games. So as we all know, there's different ways you can kick a ball, but today myself and Jude are going to focus on a straight kick to a partner. And again, folks, if you don't have a partner, if you have a wall, get a ball up against the wall, right foot and left foot, and just follow the advice from me and Jude. Alright, Jude. That's what we're here for. Remember, point the toe, head down over the ball. Good lad. Good. Oh, good catch. Batter, good lad. Head down over the ball. Good man. I think you're better than me in this, Jude. Right, we're going to get it now. Let's go for 5 in a row. See if we can get it from. Nope, start now. Oh God. Right, let's go. 1. Good catch. So folks, now the challenge is, let's try and get 10 in a row. 10 kick passes in a row, left and right foot. And again, if you don't have a partner, use a wall. Let's see how many we can get. Let's go, Jude. 2, 3, good catch. Oh. Let's start again. 1, no keeper. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
Your left hand to left foot. Left. 1, 2. Won't you be here all day? Right, start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! Remember, left hand, left foot, right hand, right foot. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good catch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A quick tip, boys and girls. Remember, when we're kicking a football, keep our head down, and when we're kicking it with our right foot, we drop the ball with our right hand, and when we're kicking it with our left foot, we drop the ball with our left hand. Yeah. Okay, boys and girls, so the next skill we're going to demonstrate is a solo run. Again, left and right foot. And remember, drop the ball with your right hand to your right foot, and left hand to left foot. Toe pointing upwards at all times, and head down over the ball. So myself and Jude are going to demonstrate. and then we're going to go into a 30-second challenge after that. You ready, Jude? Right, just static. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good lad, Jude. You're making it look easier than me. And remember, folks, it's okay to drop the ball. If you drop it, start again. Okay, boys and girls, so myself and Jude done a quick demonstration. Now we're going to go into a 30-second challenge to see how many hand toes we can get left and right foot. Let's go, Jude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's see how many we can get. My Lord, Phobail agus Cailíní. So we're going to advance it in now to a walk, solo on the ball, left and right foot, and then increase it to a jog. Again, if you don't have cones, you can use your back garden. Doesn't matter how big or how small it is. Remember, left and right foot, folks. You're alright, keep it going, come on, one more. Okay, boys and girls, so we're on to our final skill, shooting, the one that everyone enjoys the most. So we're going to start off with a simple shooting exercise you can do in the house. If you don't have nets, that's okay. Do it under your garage or whatever. So we're going to start off simple 4 steps and aim to kick it over the bar. Remember, if you're kicking with your right foot, drop it with your right hand. And if we're kicking with our left foot, drop it with our left hand. And remember to keep our head down. Let's go.
Go ahead.
That's over, by the way. Okay, boys and girls, so we've came to the end of the session. So we've worked on our hand passing, our kicking and shooting. We're going to now include them all into one exercise and finish with a score. Point. Go again, go on, hit again. Here, as fast as you can. Let's go. Point. Head down over the ball. Good lad, better. This one we left here. Goal. Bring it in. Point with 2, 3 of them and a goal for 2 of them. Point, put it over, kick it forward. That one was a goal.
Okay.
Point, put it over, kick it hard. Good, don't worry about it. Kick it, you can get them off there. We'll do this way left. Good lad. Come on, come this way. Kick it over, kick it hard. Well, one with your right, one with your left. Settle yourself, kick it hard, kick it hard. Definitely a gamble.